welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll be making this bag. It has 4 compartments. The first one, the second compartment, and here. This is what we are making. This is this side. Here. This as well. This side also is 2.2 by 11. Here 2.2 by 11 inches. From this side, this side. The top. This is the top panel. We are making them in large quantity. 1 year, 1 year. And we put zip at the middle. This part, this is it. 4 inches. Let me show you the lining from here. From here to this side. We are using 2 lining. The big lining, 4 inch. We are using these belts. We needing the ring, zipped, and this I'll fix it. So this one that will be here, we stitch it at the 2 sides. But the other ones I've already for them. This one, you just will stitch it to 1 side. You stitch it straight, not the 2 sides. You know this one, we stitch here and here. But this one that will be up, you just stitch 1 side. You leave this place for now. Let me continue. If you are making this kind of bag for the first time, this one I'm sewing presently, you cut 3 of it. This 2.2 by 11 inches. 2 will be at the front, 1 at the back. Don't be confused. It might look confusing, but it's a simple thing. Just follow the way I cut and the way I'm sewing, then you won't make mistake. At this point, you can decide to stitch down to secure the first compartment, or you use the first lining, the big lining, the one of 23.5 inches by 11.5 inches. So after you putting the lining, you make sure the first lining, the short one, is straight. Then you can stitch to have just one stitches at the center. At this point, don't forget to put your zip edge. After stitching it round, you now stitch the center of the length of the bag. And when you stitch, it will give us the second and the third compartment. You know, we've already made the first compartment. Here is the major compartment, the fourth one. At this point, my machine breaks down, so I had to use another one to complete the project. Notch the four sides of the body, the midpoint, notch it, and also the top panel, notch it. You can also decide to line the whole part, both the top gussets or the parts. If you check my tutorial on lunch bag, you see how to add lining to this kind of bag.